gosh, sorry, we are herd of cats here. Hey, baby, you have to move your whole body out of the cage. Here, why don't here's all of your face.
We're now approaching the halfway house. As the name implies, it's halfway up the mountain. Early on in our operations, our steam engines were wood-fired. They couldn't do as we had one train at the top of the mountain, one train at the bottom. The trains would meet at the halfway house. When they met, passengers would swap from one train to the other and head to their final destination. Buildings now used as the break room for our track maintenance crews. The very front of the building has a picture window in it, acts as a great mirror. As we go by the halfway house, I suggest take a look to your right. And that sign is accurate. That building is absolutely level. You're not. Across First Ravine and look across the ridge. You're looking pretty much due north at this point. The state of New Hampshire extends another 70 miles to the north. After that, you're into Canada. And off to the left is Mount Clay. Coming down the ridge to the right of Mount Clay, the world disappears. The steepest part of my track, a pitch of 37.4%, means I was standing 17 feet, almost 18 feet higher than the typical year. To the right, you're looking south into the Majestic ravine. As promised, there's the Appalachian Mountain Club's Hiker's Hut, Lake. The mountains just beyond are the southern presidential Mount Monroe and Mount Eisenhower. Now as you look to the left, you're looking again pretty much to the west. At this point, the mountains we can just see in the far back. That roadway is U.S. Route 2. Has its origins on the... Now, if you have particularly good eyesight, you take a look at that roadway.